Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Target haul. Target has some really cute stuff out right now, and I just started picking up a few pieces to kind of refresh my home decor. I'm changing up a few things, but I figured I would show you guys all the stuff that I bought at Target. Not all of it is home decor related, but the majority of it is. So I hope you guys are excited to see what I picked up at Target. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this kind of content on my channel, I'd really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this Target haul. Okay, so the first thing, I'm just gonna go with all the stuff that's behind me. Is this Stars Above little, it's like a gray kind of sweatshirt, but it is super soft on the inside, and it's got this cute little like detail on the back, and it's a high-low kind of crop sweatshirt, and I just thought this would be super cute to throw on with leggings when it gets a little bit cooler here. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute, and it was on clearance for $5. So for $5 I figured I could wear it around the house. I'm always cold inside the house, so I like to have little pieces like this, and it's still short sleeve, so it's not super hot, but it's a really cozy piece. So I was really excited to find this at Target. Okay, the next thing I got, I'm about to use in a clean and organize with me video, and it is this turntable, so like a Lazy Susan. This thing is huge. It's 15 inches, and all the ones I have are normally really small because they're meant to go in like a spice cabinet or something. This one is 15 inches, so it's really big. It was only $10. It's the Made by Design brand, and I am going to use this underneath my sink if it fits, and I'm going to put all my cleaning products and like things that go under the sink on here because underneath there is a wreck and I really need to clean that out. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It's 10 bucks. They did have a 10-inch one too. So if this one doesn't fit, I'll just go back and get this one. But this one was $10 and the 10-inch one was $8. So for $2 more, you get a huge one if you can fit it in your space. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. I don't know which one's going to be going up first, this one or the clean with me, because I'm about to film that one, but stay tuned for that one. The next two big things I bought are these Project 62 curtain rods. They are such a pretty gold color, and that's what I'm trying to do, is incorporate more gold into our room. As you'll see in some of these other things that I've picked up, I'm doing like a more gold theme because I did get a new duvet cover, and I just feel like gold goes a lot better with it. So I got these. That's what they look like up close. And these were on sale for I think $26 a piece. Like they were only like 5% off, but yeah, they got really good reviews online, so I can't wait to see what they look like. Of course, I'll show you guys. I hope they look good. I still need to get new curtains because I don't like the ones that are in our room right now. But yeah, so I'm going to try these out because I feel like adding that pop of gold onto these cool tone walls will look really nice. And the next things I got are two throw pillows. And these are super cute. They're Opal House brand, and they have that gold detailing and then the cute little tassel fringy things. And these were $20 a piece, and I got these for our couch because that rug in there is from Target as well, and it has a lot of gold tones in it. And then our coffee table is gold as well, and the pillows we have now are so big on that couch. I used to use them on our old sectional that was much bigger, so now I feel like they're a little overwhelming on that couch, so I'm probably going to use those pillows in the guest room and try these out on the couch. So I'm not sure if they'll look cute, and if they don't, I'll just return them if they're too small. Okay, the next thing is I picked up some Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Scent Hand Soap. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so amazing. It smells like fall. It's like the best Mrs. Meyer's scent other than the peony that I think you can buy, and I liked it better than the apple spice one. This one is Acorn Spice. It's already going like crazy at Target. Like they just put these out, and there was only like 2 or 3 left at my Target. So if you see it and you smell it and you like it, just go ahead and buy it because it's going to be gone super fast. But I'm going to save mine and put it out when it gets closer to fall. The next thing I got is this little trash can. This is the Opal House brand as well. I've always wanted this one. It's got the white, not the peach kind of sewn into it. Like, I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, I really like this one because it has a lid. My dogs get into the trash a lot, and especially the bathroom trash. So this one's gonna go in my bathroom because I just feel like it's really cute, even though hardly anyone's gonna see it. It makes me feel good when I go in there, and then it has a lid, so the lid just goes right back on. That way the dogs can't mess with the trash. And it's just cute, and it was on sale for $13, and it's normally $19.99, so I thought that was a good deal. And all the stuff that I can link for you guys, of course I will link it down below. Okay, this next thing is not from Target, but I wanted to show you guys because I'm really excited to see how it works. I got this at HomeGoods. It's a compact can opener. Like, this is it. It's this little thing in here because my can opener always gets caught in my drawer because it's so big. But this one is supposed to be a compact one. You just like hook it onto the lid and then you twist it, and then the lid is supposed to come off. So yeah, I was really excited to find this, and it was $7.99 compared at $14 from HomeGoods. I'm excited to try this. It's really tiny, which is so cool. So it would be good if you're going to college or something to save space, or you just don't have that much space in your kitchen. The next three things are cleaning products. I got this tile cleaner plus bleach because our shower is a white tiled shower, and while I love the white, it's old and it gets gross so easy. It shows anything and everything. We're about to probably just like rip it all out and redo it. That's why I got this. This is supposed to be great for removing soap scum. It's a shower scrubber. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it gets some stuff off the shower, but that'll be in a clean with me. And then I got more toilet bowl cleaner, fun. I got 3 of these little drawer organizers. They're the narrow bin frosted. These were only $1, but I needed these for my bathroom drawers. I have some really old ones from Dollar Tree in there, and I need to clean my drawer out because it's a wreck and it just needs to be cleaned out. So I figured these would fit really nicely. These are about the size of my Dollar Tree ones, and like I said, they were only $1, so it was worth trying. If not, I'll use them in the kitchen somewhere. Okay, next from Target, I got their Target brand Epsom salt for your bath. I take a bath almost every night. It's just relaxing for me, and I like to just like end my day with something like that. So these are the Target brand ones, and they are so good. They smell amazing, and they just make your bath water feel so nice, and they're only like $3.99 for this big bag, so I highly recommend it. This is the eucalyptus and spearmint scent, and I've also tried the coconut one, and they're both so good. So if you need some bath salts, definitely try this. It's just the Up and Up Target brand. I love them. So the next to last thing that I got at Target are these lamps. So the lamps that I showed in a few videos back, me putting them on that big piece in our living room, used to be in our bedroom, and when I got this new duvet, they just didn't match at all. They're like a black and blue kind of, I don't really know. They just didn't go. So I got these. I got 2 of them, one right there and this one, and I really like these. I haven't even taken the tags off of them yet, but they're very nice, and I like the way that they're like that square at the top because they save space against that wall. We're not constantly knocking into the big circle ones. I feel like they kind of got in the way. They just save a little bit more space on our nightstand because of the design, and I really like the gold with the marble base. So these are the Project 62 Weston table lamps, and I can't recommend these enough. I love them. Okay, and the last thing that I've picked up from Target, I'm sure I'm forgetting something else to show you guys, but is this pillow. This I bought for our bed because I needed to switch it out. The other pillows didn't match with this new duvet, and I just got one new pillow because I'm using that like lumbar, oh it fell over. I'm using like this one, which is an older lumbar support kind of pillow, and I just throw that up there. So I just wanted a new one. This one's got a lot of muted browny pinky tones in it, and it just matches really well. This was by the brand Project 62. And it was $19.99 as well. It's a good size. It's not overwhelming, but it ties in really well with the colors of the room. And I think when I put the gold curtain rods up and get new curtains and everything, it's gonna look so cute in here. Okay guys, so I think that was all the stuff I picked up from Target in the past 2 times I've gone. I know it's a lot, but it's been really fun, and I've just been trying to get the house super organized and clean before I start doing all the fall decorating this fall. So stay tuned for those kind of videos because fall is my absolute favorite season and I go insane for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this Target haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. I'd love it if you would subscribe as well. And you can follow me on Instagram at Kaylee Stevens down below with an extra S after Stevens. I'm about to film a cleaning video, so don't forget to subscribe. I don't know if that one's gonna go up before or after this video, but be looking for that one. It's gonna be a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.